We're fishing the tail race, and this is Shannon catching a seagull. How did you do that, Shannon? Why would you do such a thing to nature? Huh. I hope he didn't swallow it. He does have it in his mouth, huh?
Yeah,
oh yeah, he does.
He won't let go of it.
He's gonna swallow the damn thing. Oh, sorry for the hand in front of the camera. I'm also trying to drive the boat. Oh, maybe he can't let go of it. Oops.
Try to get over here.
Oh, now he hooked his wing. See you, little guy. And that's Shannon catching a bird.
What kind of bird?
Well, we didn't catch a single fish this trip. We didn't catch a single fish this trip. We caught a bird. Yay. Alrighty. We're out here.
Put a weight on this baby.
Yeah. No kidding. We're out here salmon fishing, trying to kill those birds. Pissed them off, Shannon. They're all coming to get us now. Alrighty. Alrighty. Goodbye.